Welcome student for maths class chapter number 7 congruence of triangle part 3. Student, we already started our exercise 7.2 and 4 questions we solved in the last session. So let's see question number 5. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding part are marked. We can write triangle RAT. So here two triangles are given. Okay, they are congruent, that we show with the marking of lines. Okay, now you have to write the corresponding side or the angle of that another triangle. Okay, so from the given we have observed what here, triangle TRA. So this is TRA. Okay, here angle is formed which is equals to OWN. OWN. Okay. Now here arc is shown that they are equal. Now second, TAR is congruent to NOW. Okay, this is TAR. It's shown that by 2 mark. Okay. TAR is congruent to NOW. So here it is NOW. We find here 2 lines. Okay. Then in the same way, ATR means here ATR. Here 3 angles are shown. Okay. Arc. This is ATR is congruent to OWN. So here it is OWN means N, here it is. So what we find here, that triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON. 6th question C. Complete the congruence statement. Here two triangles are given, and what given here? Triangle BCA is congruent to triangle QRS. Okay. Now this BCA is congruent to which angle? We will see in this figure. And triangle QRS is congruent to which angle? We will see in this figure. Okay. So let's start to solve one by one. First consider this triangle BCA and BTA. Here two triangles are given, that what? BCA and BTA. Okay. Now from this figure it is given that BT is equal to BC. So here BT is equal to BC, means they are same. And here BA is a common side, that we will find BA in both the triangle. That means it is a common arc. So here we can say that triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BTA. Now see in this figure, here triangle QRS and TPQ. Here we find that PT is congruent or equals to QR. So here it is PT is equals to QR. Okay. Then TQ is equals to QS. Here it is TQ is equals to QS. Okay. And last one, PQ is equals to RS. Here PQ is equals to RS. So what we find here, all sides are same, that means they are congruent. So here the two triangle what given, that is QRS is congruent to triangle TPQ, because all sides are same here. Next 7th question C. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas such that the triangles are congruent. The triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their perimeter? Now here you have to draw the two triangle. Okay. In that first is congruent and second is non-congruent. And when they are congruent, you have to say about their perimeter. When they are not congruent, again you have to say about their perimeter. Let's start to do. Here in first part, what given? The triangles are congruent. So we know that when the triangles are congruent, when their angles, their sides are same. So here two figures are drawn, ABC and DEF. Now here in this two triangle we find that all the sides are same. You can check that B and E showing what? 90 degree. If we see AB is 5 centimeter, in the same way DE is also 5 centimeter. If AC, that hypotenuse what given it is 8 centimeter, here DF is again 8 centimeter. Base what here? BC is 4 centimeter and EF is also 4 centimeter. Here both the triangles have same angles and sides. That means they are congruent. So we can say that perimeter of this triangle ABC and DEF is also same. That means they are equal. We know how to find the perimeter. When we do the addition of that number, we will get the same number here. Okay. Now in second question, we have to show that triangle are not congruent. So here, see the two figure LMN, triangle LMN and triangle OPQ. We find that M and P showing the 90 degree, okay, and now their side C LM is 7 centimeter and OP is 4, okay. LN is 9 centimeter and OQ is 10. MN is 5 centimeter and PQ is 8. So what we find that all sides are different. So we can say that they are not congruent. Okay. When they are not congruent, their perimeter is also not same. That means when we do the addition of this number, we will find two different answer. So we say that their perimeters are also not same. Now see the 8th question. Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Okay. So here in the figure just see LMN and FGH. Which 5 sides are congruent? Let's see here. In the above figure what given? All angles of two triangles are equal, but out of 3 sides only 2 sides are equal. Let's see which one here. L showing 90 degree, okay. Here L and G are 90 degree, okay. L is 90, G is 90. So here one angle is same. Second, see angle N, or we can say that MNL. It is what? 60 degree. Okay. So here HFG is again 60 degree. And in angle NLM and angle HGF, they are also 90 degree. But when we see that LMN, means here it is 30 degree. What is LMN is 30 degree, but when we see that LMN, what we find here, it is 30 degree, but when we compare with FGH, okay, FGH, it is 90 degree. So they are not congruent, okay. Here L is equals to G, M is equals to H, okay, and N is equals to F here. Their sides are also given. LM is congruent to here FG, and MN is congruent to, or we can say same side of GH. So here we can say that LMN is not congruent to GH, where there's many parts are congruent. Now last question, see. Ninth one. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding part. What criteria did you use? So here two triangles are given, ABC and PQR. By observing what we find here, see angle ABC, this one ABC and PQR, it show that they are 90 degree and they congruent, okay. And angle BCA is equals to PRQ. So the additional pair of corresponding angle what we find here, that is BC, okay, which is equals to QR. Okay, here what we find, this is BC because here one right angle and here angles are formed. In between BC is equals to what? QR, because here Q also showing, this side showing 90 degree and here it is one angle form. So they are equal. That's why we can say they are triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Explain why triangle ABC is equals to or congruent to FED. Now see the two triangles are given where B and E, that angle showing 90 degree, okay, and the two triangles are formed here, that is BAC, okay, here BAC and DFE, this one DFE, okay, they showing one congruency. In the same way we get the side, that is BC here and DE, okay. So what we say, that this having two angles, okay, and one side. So by the property of angle side angle, two triangles are congruent if the two angle and the including side of one are respectively equal to the other, that means second angle of the sides of the triangle, okay. So here we are using what? Congruence property of angle side angle. So here we completed our question number 10. Thank you.